Hello students, welcome to Friday session for class 5th EVS after 4th unit test. Dear students, as we know we are ending to our course. Slowly, one by one lessons PDF I am sending. Then we shall have particular revision of all the lessons step by step next month. Then we also see that when there is a revision, some additional point, additional question answer also I will share with you. Let us revise one more time. How much have you learnt? 5. In this point, I wanted to explain you about how much you have learned. In this informative session, we have to write down the name of our district. The name of our district is Bhavnagar. How many villages are there in your taluka? Around 95 to 134 villages are added in our Mahua taluka. The function of Gram Panchayat is to maintain the cleanliness, street light, drinking water facility, drainage, etc. The name of Taluka member and corporator is recently elected. We can search that Taluka members and corporators name and write down. The head of Taluka Panchayat and municipality of area is recently elected. That also we can write down. Accident and disaster we can classify: flood, cyclone, fire, epidemic, road accident, oil while running after kites, sustained burns, get electrocuted, sleep on banana, fall of bicycle, drought, earthquake and tsunamis. Classification we are doing. Earlier in my last session, I classified it and I explained you. Once again, flood is a disaster, cyclone is a disaster, epidemic is a disaster, then drought is a that is a disaster. So we can classify according to that way. Then fire, cyclone, road accident, oil while running, sustained burns, electrocuted, sleep on banana, fell off from bicycle, these all are accident. Then fill the colors. It is a natural resources. That resources we should use it. That resources we should use it properly. Salt is coming from the sea. Likewise, iron is coming from the iron ore, from the land. But butter is coming from the animal's milk. Water is coming from the rain. These are the points that we have to use. Second, we have to join the things to their natural resources. Cement we will get from the earth crust. The earth crust is dug out from the mines and limestone is achieved from it. We are getting limestone from it, and afterwards it is mixed with the pebbles and another materials with the soil, and cement is prepared. Sugar is prepared from sugarcane, from the farm and land. Animals are giving milk. From milk mawa, without sweet it is prepared, and from mawa rough material sweet penda is prepared. So these are the points that we have to keep it in mind. Next session we shall talk more about it.